Do you care about the health and wellbeing services of our elderly? Do you work with or aspire to work with Kuia and Koroua in our community? If so, Te Kumanu Raeroa will give you the right skills to support our kaumātua elderly in a way that's most appropriate for their needs. This introductory program combines tikanga with an understanding of health services to ensure Kuia, Koroua and their whānau are not only well looked after but also cherished, understood and empowered in the community. In this fees-free program, you'll participate in a collaborative learning environment through our noho marae and weekly wānanga, or through our weekly face-to-face classes. Across 19 weeks, you'll graduate with a recognised qualification, allowing you to further your studies or use your skills to contribute to the health and needs of our Kuia and Koroua in your whānau, hapu and iwi. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whāmā.